With the fast evolution of virtual reality, new prospects open for embodied learning. Learners can now manipulate digital representations of abstract concepts and make sense of them through sensory motor stimulation. But what is embodiment exactly? In this work, we explore three meanings of embodiment tied to embodied learning in VR: embodied cognition, embodied interaction, and avatar embodiment. According to embodied cognition theory, our bodies play an important role in learning. Specifically, we perform gestures when learning, but also we learn from bodily actions, for example, directed by an activity. In turn, embodied interaction relates to the fact that the physical and social context of interaction supports the meaning-making of said interaction. For example, an apparently meaningless gesture, such as a pinch gesture, can become meaningful in context. Indeed, applied on the flat and smooth surface of a mobile device, this gesture can stretch the space and thus zoom in. Finally, in VR, interaction with digital content happens through a digital avatar manipulated with bodily actions. In this context, the sense of avatar embodiment refers to the perception of the digital avatar as one's own body. The sense of embodiment is based on three constructs: sense of self-location, sense of agency, and sense of body ownership. Although these three aspects are often referred to as embodiment, they present commonalities but also differences. We argue that when looking into embodied learning in VR, all three perspectives should be acknowledged within one interdisciplinary framework. In our paper, we follow different paths within this framework to highlight the importance of such interdisciplinary approaches. First of all, we show that embodied interaction does not necessarily support embodied learning. Importantly, when discussing meaning-making in embodied interaction literature, we refer to the meaning of the interaction. In a learning activity, making sense of the interaction is different from making sense of the concept in focus, and therefore different from learning. We discuss this difference in the context of an embodied activity about derivatives, where one path highlights derivatives as variation rates, while the other highlights derivatives as slopes. Similarly, we explore the gap between avatar embodiment and embodied cognition. For example, we show that breaking recommendations from avatar embodiment literature, such as morphological similarity, may result in meaningful interaction and support learning. As a result, we believe that an interesting direction for future research is what we call semantic avatars: digital avatars designed to highlight a specific meaning explored through bodily actions. For more examples and design recommendations, please check out our paper or visit us during the poster session.